Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a battery in a Cadillac XT5. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes from battery acid or sparks. Having the right tools, like a wrench set and a battery terminal brush, will make the process much smoother. Once you've located the battery, typically found in the trunk or under the rear seat, it's time to disconnect it. Always start by loosening and removing the negative terminal cable first. Then, disconnect the positive terminal. After both cables are free, carefully remove any clamps or straps that hold the battery down, preparing it for removal. With the old battery out, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the cable terminals to ensure good contact. Now, carefully place your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. When connecting, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. This order helps prevent accidental short circuits. After connecting the new battery, ensure all terminals are tight and the hold-down clamp is firmly in place. Take a quick look around the battery area to make sure no tools or debris were left behind. Finally, start your Cadillac XT5 to confirm that the new battery is working properly and that all electrical systems are functioning as expected. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.